So hello everybody, welcome back to the channel Samu Study Diaries. So this is my another study vlog as a CBSE 10th grader. So I hope you watch till the end. So just now I came back from the tuition and I sat down to do my homework because my school are opened for the new academic year of class 10. So today was my second day, and on the first day we had a introduction, so there was no study on the first day. But on the second day, like today, the teacher taught us tenses. So we started with the grammar portion, and the homework was to make notes of tenses on our own because she explains very well. So I was taking little bit of help from Google एंड बाकी मैं खुद ही कर रही थी क्योंकि मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा इजी लग रहे थे टेंसेस. सो या so usually teachers don't start with the grammar, but our teacher started with it, and this is what all I have done. So then next was this maths homework. So I forgot to take the register for the maths today, and I did all the work in the rough notebook, and I also purchased a register of 150 pages because we can't take too much heavy register as it is not allowed for math subject. So here I was doing the notes of real numbers which our teacher gave us on the second day. So yeah, then the homework was to solve the exercise 1.1 question number 1 and 2. So this chapter is quite easy, and you all have seen my maths update as a 10th grader in the shorts only. So yeah, it was easy for me here. So currently I am studying pair of linear equation in the tuition, but I have completed this chapter. So yeah, this is all what I have done. So these were the notes given by a teacher from the NCERT book only, and this is all what I have done. So yeah, that's it for the homework. And then I took a little break in which I had these dark fantasy bourbon biscuits. Also watched a drama with my mother, and then I started to cover my notebooks and registers because I didn't cover it earlier because the teacher hasn't told us that how many registers and notebooks we have to purchase and cover. So yeah, today I got to know, and then I started to cover it. So it was done, and then was the time when I sat to study for the subject जोग्राफ़ी. सो या स्कूल से आके बिल्कुल भी पढ़ने का टाइम नहीं मिला था, पर फिर मैं जोग्राफ़ी फाइनली पढ़ने बैठ गई. So here I was searching for the one short lecture of the chapter number 1 of geography, that is resource and development. So earlier I used to see the Unacademy ones, but now I got to know that one was of old syllabus. So I saw the latest one which was of like 2 year ago, and yeah, here the syllabus was updated, so the syllabus was not changed in this video. So yeah, that is why I was seeing the video here. So honestly, my subject SST is very weak, and I tell this in every video because yeah, it is so weak. So that is why I started with this, and also in the school this chapter is only going on. So this year I have thought that I'll go with the syllabus as the school goes. So daily जो भी पढ़ाया जाएगा वो मैं घर पे आके रिवाइज करूँगी. एंड हेयर माई हाफ चैप्टर वॉज कम्प्लीटेड. सो या अभी मैंने पूरा चैप्टर नहीं किया क्योंकि जितना रोज़ स्कूल में पढ़ा रहे हैं मैं उतना ही पढ़ रही हूँ, ऐसे ज़्यादा नहीं पढ़ रही हूँ एक्स्ट्रा में. पर या दिस इज़ ऑल व्हाट आई हैव कंप्लीटेड इन दिस वीडियो. सो एट लास्ट आई हैड दिस. So that's it for the video. I hope you like the video, and please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.